Who are you and what are we doing here?
I'm Archad. I'm here in the countryside and we are gonna walk 500 miles to the Russian border. Somewhere in there. And when we walk there we get some crazy paper, some mystery gift. What is the mystery gift? Who knows? Maybe $1 million, Lambo or Nazi gold. I don't know. Let's walk and find out. Alright, we are almost halfway now. It is hot. We have few casualties already, but that's alright. We're gonna make it. There are 40 years old women chasing us. We need to run. Almost there. We get to the finish line and we get our crazy papers and a surprise gift, which was free bucket.